Having analyzed the results of our activities for the past year, the management of our company decided to conduct an advertising campaign. As part of our marketing strategy, we planned to start packaging our popular cough medicine in individual polyethylene bags. It was planned to be packaged by dosing the loose cough medicine into sachet bags. The consumer, using the dosed sachet packet, can prepare the drug in the form of suspension, which is well absorbed by the body. We have been manufacturing pharmaceuticals for 25 years, all the time mastering new products. Our enterprise is a part of a large production association in Ulanovsk. It was planned to start producing the drug in sachets in 5 months, in order to conduct an advertising campaign in the shortest possible time. I, as a leading production preparation technologist, was instructed to find equipment that would ensure the packaging of the drug in sachet packets with the possibility of increasing the productivity of the machine. The main criteria for the search were, firstly, the equipment must be fully automated, feeding the sachet, seam welding, trimming. Secondly, the machine control should be simple and clear. The machine was planned to be located in the assembly and packing shop. The important condition was to provide the output of not less than 5,000 bags per day, in one shift operation of the plant, and the possibility of its subsequent increase. It was planned to use red plastic bags to produce the drug. As a technologist, I understand that at all stages of production, it is important to comply with the requirements for pharmaceuticals. The level of humidity, the temperature in the room, in pharmaceutical production is necessary to carry out analytical quality control of raw materials and finished products. We must use quality equipment to meet the requirements of the hygienic services. Therefore, I took the choice of automatic equipment for packaging the drug in polyethylene bags seriously. I began to solve the difficult problem with the most popular way: search on the internet. On the recommendation of colleagues, the first thing I did was to look for European manufacturers. By myself, I chose 2 companies, one in Italy and one in the Netherlands. After sending a request to their email, 3 days later I received a reply from the Italian company, which said that they could not deliver equipment due to the suspension of its production. The company from the Netherlands wrote in the email that they do not work with CIS countries. The first step did not turn out to be a good one for me. I understood that there are no hopeless situations, so I continued to look for a solution. I found similar equipment for filling the drug into sachets from 3 Chinese manufacturers. I contacted them by telephone. Managers of my chosen companies didn't answer me. Can their machine seal seams, cut sachets automatically? Will it produce 500 sachets per hour? When can I get a ready-made machine? To all of these questions I heard the phrase, "We'll do it." One company started talking to me in Chinese, and I ended the conversation. In the end, I concluded that I myself choose the equipment for filling sachets in sachets. I cannot, and decided to turn to a specialist. I needed a professional who would give complete information about the machine, its capabilities, test the equipment with our material, talk about delivery terms. It was decided not to consider Chinese intermediaries from the very beginning, because often manufacturers from China have their own direct resellers. I did not want to go through this stage all over again, so I decided to turn to Russian intermediaries for help. I made the choice of a specialist, based on the following criteria: long period of work in the market of pharmaceutical equipment sales, positive customer feedback, the availability of information on the company's website, and convenient terms of delivery of the machine. According to these parameters, I selected 4 companies. After sending an email request to all of them, I didn't get any answer from 2 of them. One company warned me that they don't have their own adjuster, and that I would have to install the equipment myself. This option did not suit me. Only one manager from Moscow was able to quickly give me competent and constructive answers to my questions. I also liked the business-like approach of this specialist. The manager of this company was polite, asked a lot of clarifying questions about the required capacity of the equipment, what material we use for packaging, the loading volume. After a preliminary consultation over the phone, the specialist suggested automatic equipment for packing products in sachet bags. I coordinated this option with the management of our company, and we concluded a contract for the delivery of the selected machine. Throughout the manufacturing period, I received an email report on the readiness of my order. When the machine for filling in sachet bags was made, the manager sent a video of the equipment. My order was delivered within the time specified in the contract. The machine was covered with clear plastic shields to eliminate exposure to the process. The machine was made of stainless steel. All processes are automated: seam welding, trimming. At the final stage of the process, we get a red cough medicine. Within 2 weeks of receiving the machine, we were able to install it, make adjustments, and train an employee. As a result, we put the drug into production in the new sachet packaging in just 4 months. Perhaps I would not have gotten such an excellent result in such a short time if I had gone all the way to select the machine myself. Experience has shown that the decision to seek help from a professional in the choice of equipment for filling the drug in sachets was correct. After talking with a real professional, I myself have become a little smarter, learned a lot, and absolutely sure that the good teacher is the one whose words and deeds do not differ. I checked this out on my own experience.